This is in random order, not really in order. Yan po, our first of the five, candidate number 14.
Hi. Our next is candidate number 22. Hello, Francisco.
Ikaw siya.
Sobra.
Sobra.
Parang gusto mo sigaw na? Yes.
Now, next we have candidate number 21, Jana Rojas. Three down, two more to go. Jackie, and the next one is
Candidate number 2. Piper
who will be our last of the five. Rounding out our top five is candidate number 19. Gaza.
Congratulations. Hi, and thank you, ladies. Our top 5.
If you are to be given this chance to be part of the amazing show, how will you elevate or improve the cultural consciousness, the Filipino community, for them to appreciate the amazing show and accept it? Siguro, kung bibigyan ka ng chance, di ba, to perform here, paano makukumbinsi ang mga Pilipino, katulad ng mga narito ngayon, para hangaan or appreciate or ma-admire yung ginagawa nating shows dito as it is, di ba?
Pwede mo sagutin sa sariling atin o sa English? Kung gusto mo
Okay,
sa Spanish,
simply
pwede na.
by showing my good personality and being as a hospitable. Why should I say so, ladies and gentlemen? It is because the amazing family teach me not only by showing my talent, and it also teach me by showing and be a good person in other and be a hospitable. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that amazing family is my second home. It is because I feel that I'm well welcome here. Thank you and good morning. Thank you.
Thank you very much. There's your expert. As it is.
Para sa akin po, unang-una, ipapaalam ko sa tao na kahit kami ganito, kahit third sex, hindi naman kami masama, at saka marami rin kami nagagawa. Then, hindi rin po ganito kami is bigla na lang kaming chikwera, di ba? Parang gano'n. Ang sa akin lang is, who I am and what I am, I do the best. Nasa sa'yo na lang kung gagawa ka ng masama.
Very true.
Thank you very much. My birthday for candidate.
She will do her best in the, di ba?
Thank you, sir. For me, Amazing Philippines is an eye-opener. It is the window that opens the view of everyone, not just to see how talented we are, but to understand how extraordinary the show is. This is the venue that transcends barriers from cultural tradition to cultural performances. Because of Amazing Philippines, the concept of transsexuality is now more welcome and embraced by everyone. With the foreign countries. We are now viewed not just an individual who can entertain, but amazing people who are worthy to be loved, admired, and inspired. That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. As I'm giving a chance to be a part of the Amazing Philippines show, Well, right at this moment, since we are here in Philippines, I will inject or put more Filipino cultural shows like Tinikling, Singkil, Sayaw sa Bangkok, Tandang Mo sa Ilaw. Those are the shows who are made truly for us Filipino. Because I believe if we put that Filipino cultural shows, not only the foreign people who will like it, but also it will improve the beautifulness of the amazing Philippine theater. And also, ladies and gentlemen, we should always remember on what was said by our Dr. Jose Rizal na tangkilikin at mahalin po natin ang sarili at gawang Pilipino pong atin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, our candidate number 21.
Oo
Very well
naman,
said.
diba? Pagka-proud ka sa sarili.
Thank you very much for that nice question. First and foremost, we are important creation in this world. And second, you do not need to be somebody just to be liked by others. You have your own free right to express what you want, what you are, and what you can be. For the past 11 years of existence, the amazing Philippine Theater family has committed themselves to giving the public a world-class show, full of magic and excitement and comedy. For 7 years, these prestigious, amazing Philippine beauty pageants continue to inspire the trans Pinay all over the Philippines with its primary objective of uplifting all negative impressions of gay beauty pageants. This event becomes the ultimate expression of being our true beautiful self. Tonight, lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community once again has been united and show the people, the Filipino community, the world, that we are blessings and that we exist in hundreds, thousands, or even millions, whether you like it or not. Being a part of this pageant becomes a fulfillment for us, a dream. Transgender people, as we express the best version of femininity that is within us by showcasing our true talents, beauty, and creativity despite hostilities and adversities. And it is the high time to unite and strengthen our ranks. The amazing Philippine Theater family is truly blessings from above. A gift from the Filipino transgender community. May God continue to bless this family. Thank you very much.
And the winner of our declamation